Hey everyone, I'm CD Cardboard Games and welcome back to another video. You might be asking, why am I making another video? Well, I'll tell you, cause I kinda felt like it. Anyway, this is an instructional video on how to download games on HowTO. For those of you who may be confused or may not know how to get a game or maybe just unsure on how to do it. So basically, you can come here, let's click horror games, for example, and we'll find a game that we like. Wow, look at that. Oh, here we go, T-Shrek. Yeah, you know what? T-Shrek. So you click on the game and it will bring you to the game page. And then once you're on the game page, you'll have a button that says download now. So then you click that, and some people may allow it to be free. I'll just cancel that. So, or for example, if we come to my page, you could just look me up on itch.io. You click here and you click download now, and you'll see a donation prompt that says, hey, I wanna, let you know that you can donate, but you don't have to. Anyway, so you don't wanna donate, then you just click no thanks, and then you come to the page in which you'll get multiple downloads, and here it'll query you for, hey, do you have a 64-bit machine or a 32-bit machine? That doesn't really matter. I mean, if you really want to know, you can look up your system setting. But any which way, you choose the best one for you, you click download, and that's pretty much it. That's how you download a game on itch.io, for those of you who are wondering. Anyway, I've been CD Cardboard Games. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for videos that are uploaded inconsistently.